The Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird is a long-range, high-altitude Mach 3 Plus strategic reconnaissance aircraft developed and manufactured by the American aerospace company Lockheed Corporation. It was operational both in the United States Air Force and in NASA. The project name was Archangel and was led by Callie Johnson, head of Lockheed's Skunk Works in Burbank, California. The shape of the SR-71 was based on that of the A-12, which was one of the first aircraft to be designed with a reduced radar cross-section. The SR-71 is the world's fastest and highest flying air-breathing operational manned aircraft in its career. The aircraft flew so high and so fast that if a surface-to-air missile was launched and detected, the standard evasive action was to simply accelerate and outfly the missile. A total of 32 aircraft were built. 12 were lost in accidents, but none were ever lost to enemy action. In 1988, the U.S. Air Force retired the SR-71, largely due to political reasons. Several were briefly reactivated during the 1990s before the second retirement in 1998. Since its retirement, the SR-71's role has been taken up by a combination of reconnaissance satellites and unmanned aerial vehicles called UAVs.